Hey guys, this is me Arjun, and today we are going to start the new lesson plan with the subject economics, and the topic is unemployment. As we know, we start the lesson plans with the date, subject, topic, school name, class, section, period, duration. We know we should write the date at the left side of the page and class, section, period and duration at the left side of the page. And subject, topic, school name should write in the middle section of the page. And the lesson plan starts with the general aim, and the general aims are in your screen. And the next one is specific objective, and there are many kinds of specific objective like knowledge objective, understanding objective, interest objective, attitude objective, and so on. And the next heading is teaching material. We know the teaching materials are like chart paper, rollerboard, pointer, flashcards, etc. are used while teaching. And the next point is previous knowledge. Students have a previous knowledge about the topic. And we should start the lesson plans with the introductory questions with the students. So introductory questions have some columns like serial number, people teacher activity, students activity. So the first questions to the students is what are the basic necessities of life? So the students activity is food, shelter, clothes are the basic necessities of life. The next question is what is the main thing to buy goods? So students response is money is the main thing to buy goods. And the next question is how can we earn money? And the student's response is job or business are needed to earn money. And the next question is when there is no job or no business, that situation is called what? So the students are in the problematic form. So this question is known as the problematic question, and the student's response is no response. So our topic is unemployment. So we have to start with the statement of the aim. Today we will study about the topic unemployment. And after the statement of the aim, the next heading is presentation. And the presentation section, there are columns like serial number, main teaching points, pupil teacher activity, students response and conclusion. So in the presentation section, the first question is known as the developing questions to the students, like what is unemployment? So the student's response is when person don't have work to do, it's called unemployment. And next is the meaning of unemployment. So the explanation is here. It is the situation when a person activity search a job and is unable to find work. And the problem of unemployment gives rise to the person's problem of poverty. When people are unemployed for a long time, then may indulge in illegal and wrong activities for earning money. And the next question is what are the types of unemployment in rural areas? And students can't respond, so the no response should write in the students response section. So the types of unemployment are seasonal unemployment, disguised unemployment, usual or chronic unemployment are in your screen. So in the students response section, we should write students can listen carefully. And in the conclusion sections, we have to conclude it like the types of unemployment are seasonal unemployment, disguised unemployment, and usual or chronic unemployment. And next question is what are the causes of unemployment in India? And students can't respond, so we should write no response in the students response section. So we have to explain the causes of unemployment in India. The causes of unemployment in India are large population, lack of skills, inadequate growth of infrastructure, labor sector suffered. So students can listen carefully, okay? And we should conclude it in a conclusion portion like large population, lack of skills, etc. And the next heading is Blackboard Summary. And in the Blackboard Summary, we have to attach the black paper and should write the Blackboard Summary in the summarized form with the white sketch pen. We should write the definition of unemployment or the causes of unemployment in short in the Blackboard summary in the black paper. And after that, the writing and supervision sections defines that teacher will ask the students to write the types of unemployment and he/she will supervise in the playway method. And after that, the recapitulatory questions asked to the students like what is unemployment, how many types of unemployment are there in India, given any two causes of unemployment, explain the seasonal and chronic unemployment, and the difference between the employment and unemployment. And after the recapitulatory question sections, the next heading is homework or home assignment. We should give the home assignment to the students. Like the first question is discuss the flowchart for the types of unemployment, and the next question is give some other causes responsible for unemployment in your copy. So our lesson plans has been finished.